Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and I promised I would not cover any more of this Pandabuy situation, but it keeps getting crazier every week. In the first week, we had the Pandabuy data leak where hackers were pretty much leaking data, and then the second week, we actually had Pandabuy getting raided, and it's even getting hotter with Pandabuy's Discord server getting completely wiped off the face of the earth. If you were in the server, you would have gotten a notification looking exactly like this, and honestly, it is not looking good for Pandabuy. So what exactly does this mean for the website as a whole? Obviously, they don't have an effective way to communicate with their customers, so a lot of people are going to be in a frenzy to charge back and do a bunch of different things, and honestly, I don't know how long Pandabuy is going to be sustainable for. Okay, so this is getting even crazier. So I was editing this video and I checked my WeChat. If you don't know what WeChat is, it's basically China's WhatsApp. It basically allows you to communicate with people and so on. So I was talking to one of the Chinese agents. I'm not going to put his name in here, but he is pretty credible. But he has told me that Pandabuy, the people that run it, are literally in jail. So how is Pandabuy going to run if the people that are running it are in custody? Like, this makes no sense. And obviously the warehouse has been raided, so pretty much your items are gone. I recommend switching to another agent ASAP. This is not looking good. Like, just the literal way that he said it in this text message, they are going to the jail. Like, this is insane. The jail, not jail, the jail, like the one central jail in China. So this is not good at all. What's crazy is it's been about 2 weeks since the data leak, and NordPass is still warning me about this data breach. Thank you, NordPass, but this is definitely not looking good for Pandabuy. If you try to order something on the website, you're not going to get it. You want to make sure to stay clear from Pandabuy or any other agents such as Hagglebuy or SugarGoo as of right now, because all these warehouses are getting raided by the feds, and you're not going to be able to go ahead and ship your items out. They will definitely take your money. I mean, what company wouldn't? But they are not going to be shipping anything out because everything is under lockdown. They have made a few statements since my last video stating that all their items will be safe and you have nothing to worry about. But I'm going to be 100% honest with you. If you're getting raided by the feds, the federal government, do you think that the items are going to be safe? That's literally like a drug dealer saying that he just got raided and all his drugs are fine. No, that's not how it works, guys. This is absolutely insane. So Pandabuy is definitely cooked, as the people are using now. I actually kind of like that word. I'm gonna start using it, but it's pretty much not looking good for this site. So I would steer clear from buying any items. I know people with lots of money on the website, you still can withdraw your balance, but you're unable to ship your items from the warehouse. So people have 90 plus items, which is honestly crazy. Just ship this stuff out as fast as possible when you actually get it in the warehouse. I don't know why people store it like that, but it's honestly not looking good for the site, and I would steer clear because there's no communication from Pandabuy. They don't have any way to really effectively talk to their customers anymore because the Pandabuy Discord is gone. And you guys would have gotten a Discord community warning, so it's going to tell you to basically knock it off and stop participating in illegal activity, which obviously buying replica products is not illegal. Selling them is, but buying them is not. But Discord is going to give you a community warning just for being in the Discord, which I think is actually pretty messed up. The next thing I do want to cover is going to be the subreddits such as Fashion Reps, which is obviously the biggest one out there, but they are still gone private. You cannot access Fashion Reps as of right now. Also, our budget sneakers, everybody is under lock. They do not want any association with the replica community. So this is definitely a big issue, and it's definitely still hot. We are not safe for buying reps or even doing anything with them. It's just not good. Taking a look at the Pandabuy subreddit, they did make an announcement 12 days ago, and I guess this could be another way for you to contact Pandabuy, but with them losing that Discord, it is not looking good. They also had a bunch of other things go on here. People are getting their refunds, which is good, but the items and everything having to do with it, not good at all. If you go back to TikTok, I did talk about this in my last video. They were restricted. The keyword Pandabuy was under lock and key. You couldn't even look at it, but now it is back to normal, which could show a little bit of sign of hope. But overall, I'm not too hopeful for this because their warehouse did get raided and they're going to be gone for a while. So I do not recommend doing anything with Pandabuy or Hagglebuy. Both of those sites have got raided. It is confirmed. So you want to be careful of having your items on these websites because sometimes this does happen in a sketchy market and you probably knew what you were signing up for when trying to buy counterfeit products. Again, I'm not a hater of Pandabuy and what they do and basically all the replica community. I am just kind of trying to look at it from a realistic view, and right now this is not looking good. Everything is cracking down on Pandabuy, and realistically, you definitely want to stay clear. Another thing I want to go over is middlemen sellers are perfectly fine. There's not a problem there. You can still buy from middlemen. For some weird reason, their products are not getting seized. I think it's because they don't have a factory of goods. And what's happening with Pandabuy is since there's a central area where everything's getting stored, aka a warehouse, that's the reason why you are having problems with Pandabuy and Hagglebuy. But in terms of a middleman seller, you will not have this problem because they are shipping these products individually. And it's actually a little bit safer, but obviously the price is just through the roof, which is absolutely insane. Again, do not condone the buying or selling of reps, but just wanted to give my 2 cents. Products are still moving through China, but we know that a lot of the YouTube pages, such as Husky Reps, are shut down. Like, literally look at this. This is kind of crazy. So basically a lot of the YouTubes are gone. We don't have much information on this situation, and you definitely want to be very, very careful. Another thought that I had, a lot of these influencers currently are lying to you. I don't want to state any names. I promised myself I was not going to call anybody out, but you guys know who I'm talking about. A lot of these influencers are lying to you to protect themselves, but obviously this situation is getting out of hand. First, we can understand a data leak, okay, whatever, but then you have federal raids, and you also have situations where their Discord is getting deleted. A lot of things are cracking down, and it's not looking good for Pandabuy. But the reason why these influencers are lying is mainly because they have affiliate income related to the website. So a lot of these sites tell these influencers, hey, don't say anything about this raid or any of this controversy, or you may have your affiliate income held. So obviously these are Chinese companies. They can be sketchy at times, and they can act in this way. And a lot of these influencers do get bullied into telling lies. Like, it's just really crazy. Obviously, I don't get paid by any of these Chinese companies. I'm just an outsider. I'm looking out for you guys. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Kind of crazy that I did do a double upload, but I am pretty happy to get this video out to you guys, and I want to make sure that you are updated throughout this whole situation, so definitely subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and hit the gym, but I'll see you guys next time in the next video for Shifter Reviews. Bye.